What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. So before we start this vlog, got a couple packages in today, so let's check those out. Alright, so this envelope is from our buddy Billy. If you don't know, follow Billy. It's DFW Speed on YouTube and the Cursed Demon on Instagram. Anyways, we first met Billy last year at We Are Mopar. Had a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. Just recently traded in for a Demon. Destroyer grade, I think it's badass. Make sure you check it out. But I have a feeling, I don't know. Let's see what Billy sent us. So this is for Kevin and I. It says, "Here's a pair for you to share. Sincerely, Billy." And he sent us some stickers. We were supposed to get these stickers at Streetcar Takeover, but we couldn't actually make it out after they changed the date due to weather. So he sent us these. Hashtag must be nice in purple and yellow. Thank you, Billy. And the good old Demon Killer sticker. I will definitely be putting that on my Hellcat, and I think Kevin wants to put one on the Demon, which would be kind of funny. But shout out Billy. Make sure you guys follow him. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's got a badass garage of cars. Just make sure you check him out. I'll link him below. But shout out Billy. These are awesome. And thanks for the pair to share. So this box, I've been waiting over 4 months for. 4 months. This one we're going to put on today in this video. But I waited for 4 months. Now, you know, all good things take time to come to you, but holy shit, 4 months, people. 4 months. I think it's going to be worth it. So this, I think, is by far one of the first mods you should do before even modding your Hellcat, or really any car, but specifically the Hellcat because of the supercharger. There's a lot of blow-by in the Hemi motors. So this is the Billet Technology oil catch can. So, don't know what a catch can does, just Google it, but simplest thing is there's oil blow-by, and the catch can picks that up instead of recirculating it back into the car, back into the motor. So I've had one on all my cars. I meant to order one a long time ago for the Hellcat, just never got around to it, and finally I ordered one back in January from Billet Technologies, but if you guys have ever ordered anything, they do a lot of Hemi stuff, but if you've ever ordered anything from Billet Technologies, they take a long time. That's where I ordered the CA bypass valve cover for Kevin's car. Same thing, took about 3 to 4 months. It was a Christmas present. He didn't even get it until his birthday came around, but their products are really nice. They're just, I don't know why their stuff takes so long, but I think it's worth it. So, let's unbox this. Really excited to finally get one of these. If you don't have one, definitely get one. Cool. There's some little parts. The hoses that run to the cover. And here's the actual catch can. I just got it in satin black just to match everything. But let's see how nice a quality this piece is. Oof, that is nice. So what happens is the blow-by comes in here and the catch can catches it, and then probably about when you change your oil is a good time to do it, but you just unscrew this little guy and drain it out. So the good thing is you can kind of check to see how much blow-by you're getting. And yeah, then you just dump this out, empty it. It's got a nice little filter in there, a little screen for it. So this is a really nice piece. This is, let me grab the camera and show you guys. This is really nice quality though. So it's kind of got like a knurl grip on it right here. Man, this is nice though. This is really nice. This is worth the wait. Frustrated, emailed them a bunch of times. I will say this, their customer service, they get right back to you, but man, it's kind of frustrating waiting for this, but just check it out. Billet Technology. So this is a nice piece, got the little bracket on it. So we'll install this later today. Alright, right now I drink one of these every morning. I really like them, plus they're not bad on the calories, and get a lot of protein when you drink these. So 42 grams. So drinking one of these in the morning, right when I wake up. And about to have 2 of these. I really like these. They're pretty low on fat, not bad on carbs, and pretty decent on protein. And they taste freaking awesome. So then I have 2 of these, and that kind of does it for a morning. Alright guys, so we are headed, well I am headed to the gym. Kevin's already there. The client I had today at 12:30 moved to tomorrow. So I waited till 1 to go meet Kevin at the gym to work out. So we're gonna do, I think, a push day with emphasis on chest probably, and we'll throw some shoulder stuff in there, maybe some triceps. But I'm gonna try out a new pre-workout today that I was sent by ATS Labs. So I'll show you guys that here in just a second when we get to the gym. This guy has boots on top of his toolbox that are upside down. It looks like someone's hanging upside down. Doesn't say how much caffeine's in it. It's like a blend.
It's got L-norvaline though.
There's yohimbine in there.
Is there really?
I think like a form of it, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna try this. It's from what? ATS Labs, I think. Sheepman through Science Labs.
Domination!
That would be
Punch your
ATS.
body! Dominate the gym, god damn it!
So we're gonna try this pre-workout. It was sent to me by ATS Labs. They just sent to me. He sent me a lot of free stuff just to try out for fun. So we're gonna try this out, let you guys know how it goes. I already had a bang today, and it doesn't say how much caffeine's in this, so this could get pretty wild and interesting. Doesn't taste bad. Doesn't taste great. Kevin?
You gotta spin it, okay? You know what it tastes like?
What?
That car scent. Like, I feel like I just bit into it. I'll be honest, I don't really like it.
Alright, we may have to work on the flavoring a little bit, ATS, but
you know what? I don't really care, because if it works good...
if it works good, it makes up for the flavor. So, you may just want to take this straight to the dome, or chug it real fast.
That's true.
So, review of the supplement. Got a pretty decent pump for how skinny I am, and had pretty good energy. Didn't like the flavor, but I think it's definitely a good one. But it's also midday. I've had a pretty good amount of food, and I had a bang this morning, so it's kind of hard to really tell if it really picks you up. But the focus was definitely there, so I liked it. Check them out if you guys want to try it. It's ATS Labs Domination. So it's about 9:45 at night. I already know this, but I figured I'd show you guys. The catch can will not work. So let me show you guys why. So here's the catch can, and it's got this bracket. Okay, so I'm gonna show you where that bracket goes on my car. So, because I have the B Woody anti-slip, it is taking up the bolt where the actual catch can would sit. So, what I can do though is one of the people on the Facebook page that we have for Hellcats, he was able to get the bracket on there and use a really slim nut to hold that on. Slim nut. Yeah, I've heard that one before. But anyways, so he used a really small, thin nut, and he was able to get it on there, and he didn't have any problems with it. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to find a smaller nut to fit on the back of there to make the catch can fit. So I'm not actually going to be able to put on the catch can tonight. However, we'll get that on soon. And like I said, got some other mods I need to do to the Hellcat that I actually have here. I just haven't done them. And but yeah, this is still a really quality piece. I'm really happy with it, and just really want to get it mounted on there. But I'll show you, like I said, it is taking up that bolt right now. So this would just slide on the back side. Obviously the hose is in the way right now, but this would just slide on the back side and it would sit like so. And then the hoses would still be mounted here to the valve cover and then over here to the supercharger. So we're gonna have to wait on that install, but yeah, I waited 4 months and now it doesn't even fit. But it's not Billet Technology's fault, it's my fault for running the B-Woody anti-slip because I need it to hold boost. So we'll get that installed. So I guess I kind of clickbaited you guys. But we're going to close out today's video. That's going to do it for today. Make sure you check out vanvorsgarage.com. Still have a bunch of posters on there. And make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And hopefully you guys are liking the mix of the fitness and the car content. And if you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you. Unsubscribe, I guess. I don't know. But that's going to do it for today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. And we'll see you guys on the next one.